Okay, guys, let's see if I can actually make a live trade happen here again, all right? So I literally just shorted because I saw the 5-minute RSI too high, and I saw this one take a major step down, right? And because it took a major step down, I'm also assuming that Bitcoin is correcting heavily right now as well. Let me just, yeah, I'm watching movies all day today. Let me just open up another Bitfix screen here. I just gotta hide a screen here very quickly, first of all. Okay, so here's Bitcoin right now, fairly overbought regions. Hoping for it to correct down a little bit right now. I'm hoping for it to step down to about 88.60 range. If it goes to the 88.60 range, this will be a very easy profit here of 90 something dollars. This guy's got kind of a big wall, right? Not really playing that big of a position right now. Actually playing a very tiny position to me, which is $10,000. But we see that Bitcoin right now, it's still kind of being sold down, right? Not many people are really buying it up right now. We see a tiny portion being like bought up, but what we see is 88.79, 88.70, like 70. Here's 70.8 range, 70.8, 71.7, 70.7. There we go. We down tick right now. We just got to break to about the 88.60 range, and my position should actually close very easily here. We see a guy just dump about 1500 there. That's a lot more than people are actually buying. So because people are actually buying very little, so there we go. We go to 16.1 range, right? 16.1. Just get to this EMA right here, okay? On the 1-minute chart, 8850 range about, and I should be able to close my position. We just got to shatter this wall. Once this shatters right here at the 1098 range, it's simply just going to break down. This would be my third trade for the day, which will be about $100 profit. There we go. We got the 8870 range. Okay, no, we're not really breaking it down yet, all right? Not quite yet. This one definitely took a little bit of a step down. It might actually just end up going up. We got a huge bearish engulfing candle. We're at the 69-cent range, bouncing upwards a little bit right there. Now we're trying to shatter the 10.98 region right here. 10.98 should be shattered in a few seconds, I'm guessing, or hoping, rather. We already broke the 5-minute RSI there. So as soon as we break that 5-minute RSI, the next big guy is right there with the 5,000 mark, if you can see. Okay, this has got 7,900 left right there. 7,900. We're at the 79.6. This is now down ticking. Down ticking. Let's see if it's actually going to curve around. We get a little bit of a hammer candle right there. It's not really that big of an uptrend right now. But we are getting a fairly bearish candle here in general. And after you get a bearish candle like this in general, it's not really a good sign, especially on a 15-minute chart where we took a big ladder up right here. Tiny little one step up on this histogram. And then most likely it's going to end up coming down. We get a bearish spinning top there. Let's keep going it up. Yeah, not really the best candles in general overall. The 15-minute candle is kind of the dead giveaway right now, and the 5-minute one is looking pretty nasty as well. So let's see how this is going to end up. There we go. Still 7,800 range right there. Yeah, people are kind of stepping in to buy, but whatever. Let's see how this ends up playing out. 76 range. Is it going to poke back up there? Is it going to poke back up? Did I miss my opportunity? That's what I always keep thinking, right? Did I miss my opportunity? Is this going to step down? Excuse me there. I kind of burped a little bit. I'm just going to have a sip of my water. Let me mute my mic. There we go. So we got 78 now. There we go. 77. We're talking about this one, 7,700, right? There's only a one count there, which is really not that many, so I'm pretty confident it's going to break downwards. There we go, 88.59. Completely shattered. Watch, there's going to be a few people that are dumping here now. It's not going to hold, guys. I'm sorry to say. I'm going to make myself an easy $90 profit in 5 minutes of trading. I entered at 01. I've been in this trade for about 4 minutes right now. So there's 73 left. So we're chipping away at it very slowly. Here we go, 86 range. 85.7, 857. Okay, 857. As soon as we get to about 88.50, that's where I think it's going to be go time. This bearish engulfing candle is just too strong right now for them to actually take control. Really can't see the bulls actually making an attempt right now. Come on, just there's 7,300 left here. I think this guy added a little bit more. He might have some hidden orders. Yeah, okay, now it's actually upticking. It's okay though. Just because it upticked here as well. Just kind of following the tune of Bitcoin to see how it actually goes. Okay, this guy ended up adding a lot more there. He's now got 8,700, 8,700. That's okay though. Upticking a little bit right now. Okay, we're actually upticking a tiny bit. Let's see how this actually plays out. But this one big candle right here is almost indicative that the bulls just simply cannot maintain the steam that they have right now, okay? It's very difficult to assume anything otherwise, right? So I look on the 30-minute chart, and yeah, we got a downtrend there right now. But is this actually the B wave that actually is just finishing, right? Is it the B wave? Is it hitting some sort of resistance right now? It's hitting about the 61.8 Fibonacci region. Let's see if this one is actually hitting any type of resistance as well on a 30-minute chart. So this one ended, this one started when? I gotta double check. Okay. This one started 20th, 7:30. It's got the correlate the time frame, 20th. Nah, EOS started coming down a lot earlier than that, okay? So what we're seeing is pretty simple actually, in my opinion. There you go. There's the resistance that we just nailed. So because this is a resistance right here, it's very difficult to assume anything but a downtrend is very imminent, right? So let's just keep taking a look at here to see how far down this is actually going to go. It's really difficult to assume that this is going to break up, guys. Like honestly, extremely difficult to assume that, right? Or sorry, it's going to break upwards rather. It's really difficult to assume that's going to break up. So I'm actually tempted to add more to my position right now, but steady hands. I always have steady hands when I trade. Tempted. But what's Bitcoin doing? That's the bigger question, right? Like, is it actually going to break down? I'm kind of on the fence now, 50-50, when it comes to Bitcoin doing its thing. This is kind of a really good support that it's establishing right here, right? Or even this one right here so far. That's kind of the mode of support that I'm finding. On a higher time frame, we just simply see this right here as a wick. So what is this doing right here, you know? I think it's going to end up downtrending, honestly. This is kind of a major resistance area, right? Right there. Major resistance. Is it actually going to be a descending triangle, though? Or ascending triangle? Interesting that we just discovered that right there. EOS is down ticking now. There you go. I cannot see this as an actual uptrend going up, okay? It's really difficult to see this as an uptrend right now. So we just got to be very patient and wait. What we do see though is this right here, which is a negatively correlating histogram that looks like it wants to break down. So the question is, do I want to add more to my position right now? Nobody really wants to buy, that's for sure. I can guarantee you that. Wish I filled my position higher there at 112, but that's okay. We don't always get what we want in trading. So you guys got to make sure that you understand this concept of this triangle that's establishing a very fair resistance right now, okay? Like that. There's basically two types of resistances depending on how we take these bull breaks and how we accommodate for the wick. So that one's not really looking that healthy. Ticked up a tiny bit. There's still a few minutes left on there. Let's go to lower time frame and see what this is actually going to do here. Okay, let's go to 3-minute chart. There we go. It's down ticking. It should down tick just based on how it looks. Yeah, definitely based on how it looks, it's gonna down tick in my opinion here. It's very hard to trade on one screen because that's all that I'm recording it in right now. Yeah, we'll see how this goes, guys. There we go, 98. Down ticked. There we go. It's only a little bit left, so I'm gonna market execute 1,000. I'm gonna chip at that with them, okay? Do you guys see what I'm doing? I'm chipping at the wall with them because I see that people are trying to chip at the wall, right? Do you guys understand this concept that I'm talking about? It's really important for you guys to understand that concept of me chipping away with the team, okay? Got to think of these guys. You know, 46,000 is no joke, okay? 6,000 is no joke. It's enough to chip away a pretty decent sized wall. I'm playing $10,000 orders at a time. I've also got enough capital to chip away at walls, and we have to work as a team sometimes. So if you guys are seeing people chip away as a team, definitely want to do that as well, okay? Let's just say I go to like, I don't know, 4-1. Let's see what's going to end up profiting here at 4-1. It's really not much. A guy with that amount just needs to end up dumping, okay? You just got to remember this right here. A guy with that amount just needs to end up dumping to me, and my position will actually fill. And like, it's not much, guys. Look at it, okay? It's only 6,500. You guys take a look at this guy, 1,500, 4,300, and me 1,000. It's enough to chip away at a wall, right? So now we just got to get down to this support level range right over here, and I should be able to make myself a very quick $150 profit. So now I still see this as coming downwards. It's not leveling off anytime soon yet. We're at the 97 range right here. Right, 97 range. We see people still slowly down ticking it right now. I'm just right here with 4,000, 3,000. That's it. That's only 3,000, 5,000 orders to go here. Got to make sure that you have a very quick hand-eye coordination to be able to see these order screens and think very quickly at the same time. Because trading is all decision-based, where you have to execute very quick decisions at the same time. These guys are all stacking 10 orders. Bam! 958. It just ended up down ticking right there. Very, very beautiful plays on the bear's end right there. So let's see what this is actually going to end up making. Yeah. I actually made a trade. No, this is my third trade today. That's right. There we go. It's not really that low. Okay. It's actually going to end up going down even more, in my opinion. Okay. I'm going to actually go to my lower price right here. There we go. People are going to chip away at it. I made a very good choice to not sell my position right around there. And let's see what this is going to do. There's actually only 4,000. Okay. That's not really that much at all. I'm the next guy in line, basically. This should give me a very easy $160 profit here in front of you guys. Come on, 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 do it, do it, do it, do it. Just a little bit more, just a little bit more. 912, 919, 919. There's only 3,500 left, 3,500. These guys chipped away 600 just right here. Great, I'm the fourth guy in line. Nobody's stacking up right there. How's Bitcoin looking? Bitcoin is looking okay right now on the charts, right? There's only 4 orders right there, 923. Nobody wants to sell. I don't really have that much, right? I look like a wall that's holding up right now. I look like a wall. That's not a really good thing. So right now, what I should probably end up doing is reducing my order. Okay, let's go to 1,000 right here. Okay, there's not that many. Then let's try to go for about a 10,904. Okay, 10,9. Let's just go to 23 actually. Okay, 23. Let's go to 999. 999.9. Here's put in a buy order. Right there, I'm this guy right there. There's only 1,000. It's not really that much. It's not that discouraging. But when you see 2,000 to make a $22,000 order right there, looks a little bit more discouraging than seeing big 2,000 walls, right? Because yeah, it's just kind of how it goes, right? They're chipping away at it very slowly. This guy's undercutting me. I'll let him just to be nice because he doesn't really have a big order of 190, right? There we go. This guy just chipped away at the 800 there. I'm $135 up. I should be up about 160 by the end of this trade. Easy stuff, guys. Yeah, trading is easy. Take that as cocky if you guys wanna. Take that as cocky if you guys wanna. Like I said, man, I don't really lose a lot of trades, guys. I really don't lose a lot of trades, okay? I don't lose a lot of trades because I've just been doing this for a long time. And I've been doing it long enough to the point where it's like, it's literally nothing but a glorified video game to me. This is nothing but a glorified video game to me where I could make literally like, guys, I just want you guys to watch my videos. I don't want your freaking money in any way. I don't want you guys to pay me for content, okay? Everything that I am doing is 100% free, okay? If you guys, okay, I'm at what am I at today? You guys have seen me trade all day. I've recorded every single one of my live trades for you guys today. I'm at now $420 a profit, guys. Like, just put that into perspective for a moment, okay? I've been trading for like, how long have I been trading for, guys? Like, not even 3 hours today. I've traded, honestly, I just looked at the chart and I saw that it was moving down, so I entered the trade. And what you guys need to do is you need to train yourselves and put in the time to learn technical analysis, okay? Learn technical analysis. You guys have seen me rationalize my thought. These live trade videos are really important to watch because they give you a grasp on how to approach the situation, how to rationalize, how to think, okay? These live trade videos of mine, they have a very different personality. Okay, I am arrogant, I am cocky as well. Okay, I am obnoxious, I can be, but you guys got to keep in mind that those are the personality traits of a successful type of trader. Now, I'm not calling myself successful or whatnot, but I'm saying that the winning type of personality usually has specific traits when it comes to trading. You need to be confident. You need to be cocky. You need to be sure of yourself, of what you're doing. You need to be able to rationalize, all these four things that I think are really important to becoming a successful trader. So the reason that I have all of this free content, guys, is simply because I feel that I've learned a lot over the past, like few years of trading and mining and investing, etc. My life in the cryptocurrency community in general over these past few years. And yeah, I just want to be able to pass on what I know. That's why I make these content for you guys. Trust me, the money is not anything where I put in the time to put out my content, like to make YouTube videos, to put up all these charts and stuff like that. And I know that a lot of you guys just want charts, and you guys are like, oh, we don't care about the live trade videos. We just want to see your charts. But you guys need to understand that you got to put theory into practice, right? You can't just expect charts all day and expect to be handheld. You guys have to really understand that the work that you put in is going to be directly proportional to your profit. So it's not much, like it might not be excuse me guys, I'm definitely coming down with a flu. That's why you guys see me like bundled up like this. But yeah, like you know, you guys need to understand that work hard, guys. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I'm very, very grateful. I'm so appreciative of the knowledge that I have from trading crypto that I really need to pass it on to other people. And that's why all this material is there. It's free. It's accessible anytime for you guys to, practice, right? And you guys need to understand as well that you need to become obsessive with trading. If you're not obsessed with trading and you don't put in a lot of hard work, then unfortunately you're not going to be able to thrive. You have to think about how obsessed I am with trading, or just people in general, right? Where they are going to spend their life dedicating themselves to something. Successful people, I'm not saying I'm successful, but just generally speaking of the traits of successful people that I've read autobiographies of, or people I look up to, they tend to put in a lot of work, guys. They put in a lot of work and effort into things. Things just don't come easy, right? You got to make sure that you dedicate the time and the effort. Um, as lazy as I actually am outside of trading, I have the work ethic of a monk. As you guys can see, I'm very disciplined. I'm very focused. I believe in hard work. I don't believe that lazy people will get further than people who put in a lot of effort. So, anyways, yeah, so please don't look down on it, alright, guys, that I'm making these live trade videos. I'll be making a lot more of them, trust me. And as you guys can see, that my profits, they just roll in all day, right? So I'm at about $430 of profit today. I believe, yeah, $430 of profit. I made a $150 trade, 116, and this one right here as well now. So yeah, about $430 or something like that. And you guys do the math, like it's simple. You guys can do the math. If I'm averaging let's just say I stopped trading today and I'm at $430. Let's just say I traded 20 days a week, and I actually took the weekends off. I'm still at $8,600 a month. You guys multiply that by year, you're still making over 100K, just as an example, you know. But if let's say I go 430, let's just say 500, right? Like let's just say you average 500 a day and you're doing that 30 days a week. Well, it's still pretty easy money, right? But of course, the profits can be a lot higher than that. If you're making 1,000 a day, as you guys have seen me done many times, right? Well, times that by 30, it's like 30K or something a month, right? So I just want to put into perspective. This is not bragging, okay? You guys might call it arrogant, whatever, call me names, boasting. No, this is inspiration, proof in the pudding. I want you guys to know what I know in here. I want you guys to be able to execute what I am doing. Because if I'm showing you with all the absolute lessons that you guys can possibly imagine, which I will show you guys again, okay? Let me show you guys all again my Steemit here, okay? My Steemit account right over here is here for you guys to access anytime you want, okay? Right here. These are all the lessons you guys should be focusing on a lot. Every time you watch my technical analysis, I mix it up, guys. I mix it up by teaching you guys things with, flash crashes. I keep it interesting, right? I try to make sure it's funny as well. I keep live trades on here. I give you guys quick little updates. I give you guys TA on different coins, right? So make sure that you guys are actually putting in the time to study and don't be lazy, because I want you guys to be at a very different level than where you are now if you truly want to improve your game. So please take these live videos as something where I'm just trying to motivate you guys. I'm trying to light a fire under your butt, okay? There's a fire that's been lit under my butt for years, guys, for 3 years, and the fire never dies. Okay, you need to have that type of mentality where you need to have a fire lit under your ass, and you need to know where you are right now. Okay, right now, and you need to know exactly where you want to be in a few years from now. Okay, you guys might be at A right now. Okay, know where you are, and think of where and visualize where you could actually be in a few years or months from now. Set realistic goals. Don't ever take one gigantic leap. Make these tiny little baby steps, baby steps, baby steps, baby steps, right? To acquire these skills. And once you acquire these little miniature skills, they add up to be a monumental kind of skill, right? Your skill set might be down here right now, but slowly, 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 it's going to stack up higher and higher. And you guys are going to look back on this one day and you're going to say to yourself, it is an unbelievable journey that I've had, and I now know an unbelievable amount as well. And I assure you that the knowledge you can acquire is insurmountable. There's never enough knowledge. I am constantly learning every single day, and I really hope that I have inspired and I've helped people with their journey in trading, because that is actually the ultimate goal. So anyways, have a great day, guys. I apologize if I'm ranting, well, not ranting, but just talking a lot and being preachy, in my videos. Is that keep in mind that in my trading videos, once again, that I'm a very different kind of person, right? I'm the person that I normally am with a confident and kind of cocky attitude because I'm sure of myself, I'm sure of my skills. Right, but when it comes to TA, I'm more so teacher oriented, right? So, anyways, have a great day. Please upvote the content on Steemit if you guys enjoy the material. Bye now.